In this tutorial, I'll show you some fixes for Nvidia graphic cards not detected on Windows 10 or 11. First fix is to show hidden devices. Press the Windows logo key plus R simultaneously and type dev mgmt.msc and press enter. Click on View at the top menu and select Show Hidden Devices. Click on Action in the top menu and select Scan for hardware changes. And check if your Nvidia graphics card appears as a grayed out device under Display Adapters. If so, right-click on the Nvidia display card and select Uninstall driver and then install it again. The second fix is to update your graphics drive. Visit Nvidia website and download and install the latest driver for your graphic card. The third fix is to update your BIOS. Press the Windows logo plus R and type msinfo32 and press enter. Just note that the BIOS version date in the System Information window. Next, visit your motherboard manufacturer's website, find the latest BIOS update for your specific motherboard model, and follow the provided instructions to update your BIOS. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.